Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X30 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the Pro by going to the right corner and tapping on this button, so we get access to other more advanced modes of this camera. One of these at the center is the Pro, so when we pick this we get access to it. And the Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with these buttons here. The first one option, as you can see, is the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture. By using this slider we can make our photo just, as you can see, more cold, so more blue, or more warm, so more orange. Also we have these small icons here that suggest us which light is good for which area we have where we take a picture. So we have the tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light, and the cloudy light. And this is how to manage this. Of course, the auto white balance is here at the beginning. Now let's tap on the next one button. Here we have the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. Also by using the slider we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 1 6,000 of it. So this is pretty wide spectrum, and the auto settings are at the beginning here. And the last one button here is the exposure, so we can control the light of the picture. By using this slider we can make our photo just more bright or dark as we need. This is how it works. And also with the exposure is connected one cool option, that when we tap on the center we can pick the focusing, so the square is the focusing, but the circle here is the exposure, so we can separate this and separately adjust the exposure where we need, and the focusing stays here. And of course, to go back to the focus and exposure at the same time we just have to tap simply on the screen anywhere, so now it goes back at once. So for now let me take a picture. For example, let me pick the white balance, the cloudy, the ISO here, and the exposure maybe a little bit brighter. And to see the picture we have to go to the left corner at the bottom here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.